Welcome to Vitamin Maths. So my dear friends, today we are seeing some mathematical quizzes. Okay, so these examples are very interesting. So let's begin with our first example. Find the missing number in these three triangles. This is a missing number in this box. So you have to find the missing number. So before you solve this, you take a 5-minute or 10-minute pause and then you solve it by yourself, try it by yourself, and then compare it with my solution. So let's begin without wasting much time. So 23 square is 529. If you are unable to calculate the square, I have given a Vedic Max trick for calculating a square within 15 seconds. You can watch that video. I will give the link in the description. 23 square is 529, and similarly 19 square is also 361. So 19 square is 361. 23 square is 529. So in this similar way, here the number is written here. So if you don't know, so you should know the square, what square is 441. So we all know 20 square is 400. So obviously the 21 square will be 441. So 21 square. So the answer here is, the missing number here is 21. Okay. Let's begin with the second question. Find the missing number in the following table here. The missing number is written in the red ink here. So find the missing number. So before solving, I will tell you a small note here. See, when there are single digits in this three columns, and there's a double digit in the last row, I think, or you should think like that, some multiplication and addition is done here, so that higher number is coming like that. Okay, in that way you have to think. So let's start. So what I will do, just see here, 8 6 are 48. We know 8 6 is 48, and for 48, if you add the middle term, that is 5, 8 6 are 48, and plus 5 is, this is 48 plus 5, that is 53. Okay, let's see whether this logic works out with the second row. Now 7 8s are 56 plus 4. So 56 plus 4 is 60. Yes, this logic is getting worked. Okay, 5 9s are 45. So just I will write directly, plus 7 is again 52. So now there should be 6 into 8. So 6 into 8 plus 9. 8s are 48. 48 plus 9 is, obviously it is 57. So this is your answer. So the answer is 57. Hope you are enjoying. So still tougher examples will come ahead. Okay. Let's begin with third question. So in this question also you have to find the missing number here. So this question is little bit tricky when compared to the first two examples. So I will solve this question by two methods. You just pause the video, try it by yourself, and then compare with my solution. Okay. So let me tell you by method 1. Okay, I will just solve here by first method. So 17 plus 23. 17 plus 23 is equal to 40. Is it right? We are getting 40 here. And then 40 by 2 if we do, then we are getting 20 here. Okay, so this is the logic here. Now next we will work out here. First we took these two, now we will take these two. Okay, so now 19 plus 21. So it is 19 plus 21 is 30. So 30 by 2 is 15. Okay, so 15. Whether we are getting 15 here? No. So this is the number that we have to find actually. So we got our answer as 15, but this is not the end of it. We have to check the logic for other method, the other thing also here. Just we will see here. Let's solve it by other method, that is method 2. Okay, so in this method 2, what we are going to do here is 1 plus 7 into 2 plus 3, that is 8 into 5, 8 5s are 40, Okay, we got 40 here. Now again what we will do, we will take this, we have considered these both numbers here. Now again what we will do here is same thing, 1 plus 9 into 2 plus 1 here, that is 10 into 3, that is again 30. We have got this 40 here and we have got 30 here. Okay, now similarly this part we will take. Now we completed already this part. Now we'll take this part, 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1, so that is 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. So have we got 12 here? Yes, definitely we have got 12 here. So now in the same way, what we have to do, we have to take here 4 plus 0 into here. First row is complete now. Now we have to come to the second row. 4 plus 0 into 5 plus 0. So that is 4 into 5. We have got 20. Okay. So on that same lines, now let us consider these both numbers here. That is 5 plus 0 into 3 plus 0. That is 5 into 3. That is 15. Okay, so we got our answer as 15. Okay, so this is the second method. This is little bit lengthier when compared to the first method, but it is more safe than the first method. Okay, let's solve some more examples. Let's solve the fourth question. So this question is very important. It has appeared in various competitive exams and even placement drives. Okay, so just observe the different shapes here and just try it by yourself first and then compare it with my solution. So let me begin without wasting much time for the video here. So 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3, let's try in this way. 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, so 19 into the number of boxes around 76 is 4. There are 4 boxes here, 1 2 and 3 and 4, you all know that. So 19 4s are 76. Yeah, we got this analogy here. Okay, so let's check it for the other box here, like the table. Now 2 plus 2, leave that center number. This center box should be not taken. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 8. Okay, so this is 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 9 17, 18, 18 18 26. So 26. How many boxes are there? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 boxes into 6 boxes. Okay, boxes. So 26 6 are, it is 156. Yes, you can check it here. So this logic and this both logics are correct. So that this same logic will work out for this third table and we will get our answer. So 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, long way. So let's see here. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 5 17, 3 20, 22, 26, 27, 30. So 30 into how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 8 boxes. Okay, so 38 are, you all know it is 240. So the answer what we will get here is, our answer is 240. So this is very interesting. So don't panic if you're not getting the answers, because you have to solve a lot of examples to get the analogy or that critical thinking. Okay, so let's solve some more examples. So let's solve the fifth question here. What should be at the place of question mark? Okay, so this is a tricky. This question was asked in the Cognizant placement drive. So don't afraid of Cognizant something. It's a very simple question. Anyone can solve this. Okay, so now let's see. 23 into 23, that is 23 square is Already we have solved it in first example, 529. So now what I will do, I will add all these three numbers individually. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16. So we got this analogy. Let us check this analogy for the second row. So 29 into 29, that is 29 square. So 29 square is 841. Okay, so 841. So again 8 plus 4 plus 1, that is we got 13. Now let's check for the third row here. 31 into 31, that is 31 square actually. So 31 square is 961. That is equal to 9 plus 6 plus 1. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So the missing number or the question mark number is 16. The answer is 16. So let's solve some more examples. Let's solve the sixth example. So this question seems to be lengthy, but the solution is so simple. Okay, now what we will do here is, let's take, we are getting 72 and 63 here. So 9 tables we get both 72 and 63. So 9 8s are 72, 9 7s are 63. So what is that? 9 8s are 72 and 9 7s are 63. When you add these both numbers, you get 135. Okay, so from 135, if you deduct the middle number, that is 8, 135 minus 8 will give you 127. So this is the logic that works for this entire table shown in this question. So directly I will take the table which I require for finding the answer. Now in this same analogy, 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. When you add 12 and 8, you get 20. So minus the middle term, that is 3 here. So 20 minus 3 is 17. So the answer here is 17. So the answer here is 17. Okay. One important note that we made, I made a small mistake in writing the final answer is in the sixth question. So we got 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 minus 3 is 17. So this 17 is the last number of the answer. So initially you will get here as, you should write these two numbers here, 1 2 8. So the final answer will be 12817. 12817. So please note this. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So this is the end of part 1 of this video, because I will again solve many questions in the part 2 video. Otherwise this video will become very lengthy. So let me meet you in my next video. So before signing off, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.